If you have ever thought about starting a YouTube channel in Cameroon to make extra income, or probably you already have a YouTube channel that you're running, but you don't know how to monetize it, then keep watching this video, because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing everything you need to know in order for you to fully monetize your YouTube channel right here in Cameroon, starting from today. Hi guys, my name is Risa. I'm a Cameroonian YouTube content creator, a social media manager, and a classroom secondary school teacher. On this channel, I make videos around tech and business productivity and also share tips on how you can make real and genuine money online right at the comfort of your home. Feel free to hit that subscribe button and join the family. I'm going to be answering all the questions that most people have when it comes to monetizing their YouTube channel in a country like Cameroon. But before I get into it, I need to let you know that you do not need to pay someone to monetize a YouTube channel for you. You can actually do it yourself. If you watch the video right till the end, you're going to know everything you need to do in order for you to monetize your YouTube channel and start making money at the comfort of your home. All right, enough talking. Go grab a pen and paper and let's start the video proper. Now, the general rule for YouTube monetization is that you need a total of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on all the videos that you have on your channel. Once you have that, then you're going to get a message asking you to start the process of YouTube monetization. Now, what happens if you live in a country which is ineligible for YouTube monetization, like Cameroon? Now, the first thing is to change your YouTube location. Okay, you're going to go to your YouTube settings and then change your YouTube location to a country which is eligible for YouTube monetization. I've created a quick tutorial on how to do that. I'm going to leave the link of that video in the description box. With that sake, you can go ahead to start the process by creating your Google AdSense account. You're going to follow up with the entire process. It is basically self-explanatory. You just need to fill in your information and you're able to create a Google AdSense account. The platform would actually guide you into creating your AdSense account, so it's self-explanatory. Now, once your AdSense account is ready and done, you can then go ahead with the next step, which is to identify or verify your identity and your location. Let's start with identity verification. There are several ways you can actually verify your identity, be it with a valid passport, with your ID card, with your driver's license, or with a residence permit. But if you live in Cameroon, I will highly suggest you use a valid passport or probably even your ID card, an original ID card. Okay, I just need to emphasize on that because Cameroon and ID cards, wahala. Anyways, I personally use my passport, so it was pretty much easy for me, and the process is very simple. All you need to do is to take a snapshot. YouTube actually uses a platform called Persona, which you need to actually take a screenshot of your passport front and back, and also identify yourself by showing your face, front and left sides of your face. Okay, I've actually created a detailed tutorial on how to verify a LinkedIn account with Persona. It's the exact same step. Basically, the person on the ID card, the person who has the ID card needs to be the exact same person showing their face on camera when identifying it. All right, so the next identification is your location. Now, this is probably one of the things that have stopped or made a lot of people to get stuck when it comes to YouTube monetization, because to be able to identify your location, YouTube is going to send a physical pin. YouTube is going to mail a pin to your address or to the address that you put in as your location, and that pin is what is going to be needed to fill in a little box which is going to show that you stay in that particular location. Now, a country like Cameroon does not have the standards home delivery mailing system like the US. So it's very difficult to get the pin mailed directly to your address or to where you stay. So what we use in Cameroon, or what we rely on, is called Campost, which is a postal service. So that is what you're going to use when you want to verify your location. You're going to go to any local post office in the city you live and get a PO box. You can grab even a friend's PO box. Just go there and then you can add that into your YouTube AdSense when you want to verify your location, and they're going to mail that pin to the local post office and you're going to go and collect it from your post office. So that is the only way you can actually get your PIN mailed to you. Now, the next is to add and verify your bank account. I've gotten a lot of questions about this particular one as well, as they don't know exactly what type of bank account they should create or with which bank. Now, if you live in Cameroon specifically, I would advise you create a bank account with a bank that allows international transactions. I'm talking about banks like NFC Bank and UBA. So those are the two banks that I am aware of that you can actually receive your YouTube earnings directly into your account. Now, to verify your bank account, YouTube is going to ask you to add your bank account information, and then it's going to send you a certain amount of money into your bank account, and that is the amount of money that they will need you to verify in a small box. So they're going to ask you to put that the amount that they have sent into your into that box. So just type it out. Okay, so when you type it out, it's going to show that okay, this particular bank account belongs to you. So that's the way they can verify that you are the owner of that bank account. All right, now once your identity, your location, and of course your bank account has been verified, the last and the final step is for you to add in your tax information. This is probably one of the most important information that you need to first of all educate yourself on before you start monetizing your YouTube channel. And the reason is because this is what is going to determine how much money gets paid into your bank account. Meaning the amount of money that you're going to be seeing in your YouTube studios that you earn from your channels or from the views of your videos is not the exact same amount that is going to be paid directly into your bank account. Now, the reason is because by law, every creator is required to pay tax to the US government. YouTube is a US company and it is required to collect tax information on every creator on their platform, whether or not you are a US citizen. By default, YouTube cuts 30% of your YouTube earnings, but that can actually be changed if you add in your tax information. Right now, the purpose of you adding your tax information is so that the amount of money you pay as tax is going to reduce, meaning the percentage is going to drop significantly when you add in a tax information. For example, instead of them cutting their usual 30% of your YouTube earnings, when you add in a tax information, they're going to be cutting a lower percentage, probably 20% or even 15% or even 0%. And this will all depend on whether or not you come from a country which has tax treaty with the US. Now, if you're wondering what tax treaty is all about, it's basically this agreement between two governments of two different countries agreeing that since their citizens pay tax in their country, the US shouldn't tax them. Okay, but it's rather unfortunate that Cameroon does not have tax treaty with the US, so you're going to be paying a certain percentage in tax. Now, you might think since Cameroon does not have tax treaty with the US, then there's no need adding your tax information. Well, that is very wrong, because if in case you decide not to add in your tax information, YouTube is going to cut their default 30% of your earnings, okay, as tax. But if in case you add in a tax information, the percentage that are going to be cutting is going to drop. It can drop from 30 to 20%, or even I've created a detailed step-by-step YouTube monetization guide that is going to take you from the first step right up to the last step. Okay, it carries all the screenshots that you can easily follow and you monetize your own channel from A to Z. You can easily get the book by clicking the link in the description box, and it's going to take you to where you can just get it and you start using it to monetize your YouTube channels. Alright guys, so that is the video, that is the information I have for you. I hope this video was interesting and I hope it was helpful. And if it was, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button. Also hit the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed to the channel. Leave a comment if you have any question. I'll gladly reply to your questions. Thank you so much for watching once more, and see you in the next video.